Hello children. In the kinetic theory of gases, we have the next topic, that is kinetic interpretation of temperature and absolute temperature. We have derived the relation for the absolute for the pressure exerted by the ideal gas, P is equal to 1 by 3 rho into V square, where rho is density, so we can write here density is equal to mass upon volume m by V into V square. This is volume and this is velocity, V square. We can shift and write PV 1 by 3 capital M into V square. Capital M is total mass, so we can write here mass of one gas molecule into total number of gas molecule, that is called Avogadro number. Na is Avogadro number. So we can write now PV is equal to 1 by 3. This is M into Na into V square. According to gas equation, for 1 mole, we can write PV is equal to RT. So we can write here RT is equal to 1 by 3 M Na into V square. Now we can shift Na in the downstairs, R by Na into T, 1 by 3 M into V square. Here R by Na, R is gas constant, N is Avogadro number. This is also constant, so we get a new constant that is known as K, which is known as Boltzmann constant. And you can calculate the value of K by putting the value of R, that is 8.31. Value of N is 6.023 into 10 power 23. By solving these two, you can calculate the value of Boltzmann constant K. So R by N is Kt is equal to 1 by 3 M into V square. Now we can multiply and divide by 3 by 2 both sides. 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 M into V square, it will be cancelled. So we get here half M V square. This is equal to 3 by 2 Kt. Half mv square, this is kinetic energy. So this kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 into Kt. Here 3 by 2 is constant. So we can say that kinetic energy directly proportional to the temperature. So now we can write here that half mv square directly proportional to the temperature. Half m is also constant, so we can say that V square directly proportional to the temperature, or we can say that V directly proportional to the under root T. So velocity is directly proportional to the temperature. Now the absolute temperature. We have proved V directly proportional under root T. If temperature is 0, then velocity that will be 0. If velocity is 0, we can say that molecular motion stop. Molecular motion stop. The temperature at which molecular motion that come to cease or stop, that is known as absolute temperature. Is known as absolute temperature.